Pisces can deal with. It can deal with random feelings that can come from nowhere, but a divine place within you. Because Pisces, in a way, is like the sanctuary, or another aspect that we would call the 12th house. In Astrostetics, we call Pisces the sanctuary. And Pisces also can rule psychedelics. It can also rule dreams. It can rule fantasy. It can rule ethereal things. So Pisces is very ethereal and sentimental. All right? Now, when you have the sun in Virgo, all of that stuff I said, Virgo is not on that. Virgo wants to practicalize. Virgo wants to break these things down to in a way, a generic level for understanding and processing. This is why in Astrostetics, we look at Virgo as one of the signs of engineering. This is one of the signs of processing. So when you process something, you break it down, you make it tangible, and you make it ready for the digestion process. And Virgo rules the sacral chakra, which is also in your tummy. Virgo is also in your tummy. But in your tummy, in your belly, this is where you process information. And when we look at Astrostetics, make sure y'all like this video, please. When we look at Astrostetics, Mercury, which is the ruling planet for Virgo, is the processor. When we have the sun in Virgo and the moon in Pisces, this is about processing what's going on in an intuitive level. Proper preparation prevents poor performance. That's what we're saying. That's always the theme for Virgo season, America. All right? Now, y'all, I'll make sure y'all pick up a copy of Astrostetics, and y'all know, this is really what we do. We want to practicalize astrology, not just during Virgo season. And look, as a Pisces, all I want to do is practicalize things. Make it easier for you, easier for you, easier and easier and easier for you. And that's what I think all Pisces should do. All of the spiritual, habitual, miracle things, it's your job to process them and transmit them in a way that brings clarity to others. And when the full moon is in Pisces, this is one of the best times to make sure you get a lot of rest. Sleep your ass off. Get 12 hours of rest if you can. Lately, I've been feeling so great. Just I need to catch up, right? Because I've been having such a great time, honestly. Looking at these beautiful stars and all of the above. When we're dealing with Virgo and Pisces together, they're both two mutable signs. So with Pisces, this can highlight the very secretive things. It can highlight drug scandals. It can highlight scandals with religious authorities. It can highlight transmigration, the elements of the migration process that you had no idea about. And we also have the moon in Pisces, and we have Jupiter in Gemini. This is one of the transits that benefit Jupiter and Gemini to the max, especially really Pisces. This is a great time for Pisces and really all water signs to address the family dynamics that they didn't know was there.
Make sure y'all go on to easycomplex.com, amazon.com, barnesnobles.com. Check out the description of this video and pick up a copy of the 500-page sensation, Astrostetics, the Aesthetics of Astrology. Thank you.
For the Scorpios, this is a very